You're starting smart with the best conversation in the Valley. CBS 5 Morning News.
Stem cells have been touted as a cure-all for just about everything, but this one was a first for me when I first started researching it. Dr. Todd Malan is an innovative cosmetic surgeon, and you are using stem cells in our fat for cosmetic surgery. I think a lot of people would be surprised to hear that this is even happening. And it started here in the United States back in 2009, correct?
Yes. We were the first center in the U.S. to start using it for cosmetic applications, but we had been using them for about a year before that for other purposes.
Fat in our bodies has been used for cosmetic surgery before, but the difference here is that the stem cells in the fat, you activate them and they actually create new and healthy tissue. Tell me about that.
Yes, so we have an abundance of stem cells within our fat naturally. Those stem cells, once they're concentrated and activated, can really help with the repair process for any part of the body. We've been using them very successfully in cosmetic surgery for applications such as the natural breast augmentation, where we're using fat and stem cells instead of an implant, using them for the stem cell facelift to help rejuvenate and repair tissue. So rather than just tightening tissue, we're actually repairing the tissue.
Let's get some of the logistics out of the way. So basically you donate some of your fat, it is taken from your body,
right,
and then frozen. How much does something like that cost?
Well, you can freeze the fat and use those stem cells later on in life, or you can use the stem cells immediately. Usually when we're doing a process such as a breast augmentation or a facelift, we're using the stem cells immediately. But then you can also store those cells, and those cells can be stored for later on in life when you're 60 and you need them for to look younger and more healthy with your face, or even to repair a damaged knee ligament or arthritis.
So about $1,200 to store that?
Yes.
We have seen a lot of people say that they can use stem cells to cure a lot of serious diseases.
Right.
60 Minutes did a big expose on a con artist that was telling people that he could cure them and he couldn't.
Right.
What do you say to people who hear this and they're very skeptical about your success in the procedure itself?
Well, this is very different. What we're using is your body's own stem cells, and those stem cells are being processed and activated in a way that's been well tested and well documented for many, many years. So this is a process that we know works.
And people can obviously check with your case histories and talk to people who've gone through this procedure before.
Correct.
It's very interesting, and it's interesting to see because you can use the fat in cosmetic surgery without the stem cells, but this just adds a new element to it.
Right. I mean, when you use plain fat in the face or in the breast, you usually only have about a 50% fat survival. With the stem cells, you have full survival, and you have the added benefit of the stem cells actually helping to repair and tighten the tissue.
Doctor, thank you so much for being here this morning. And your clinic is in Scottsdale. You want to quickly give the address if people have questions?
Yes, it's the Innovative Cosmetic Surgery Center at 7425 East Shea Boulevard, and we're happy to see folks.
That sounds great. It's also, by the way, we put it on our website at kpho.com if you are interested. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be back right after this.
Thank you.